Hello, in this lesson I want to talk about navigating through the document, and it's basically with the insertion point. If you will take a look right over here on the word hello, right at the very end I have a flashing line. That flashing line is called your insertion point. Wherever that is where you are about to type. Now floating right next to it moving around is a little capital letter I. That is your cursor placement tool. It's basically called the I-beam because it is shaped like the capital letter I of the English language. So I have an insertion point flashing beside the word hello. So I'm just gonna type student. Now to move my insertion point down a line, I'm going to hit the enter key on my keyboard and there it is. Now I can type a sentence and the insertion point is at the end of the sentence. I will hit my space bar and type another sentence, basically the same one. Now I want to move down, so I will hit my enter key, and so as you can see, that's how it works. Now if I hit my tab key on my keyboard, it says tab. You can tab over once and type a sentence. I can tab 3 more times and it jumps ahead by half-inch spaces, where I can type a sentence. Now I'm gonna hit enter a couple of times to give it some space. Alright, now the I-beam that's on the center of my screen, I am moving around. There is a little trick with this thing. You can actually double click anywhere on the piece of paper. It will force your insertion point to go to that spot. So let's see, double click. There it is, right at center of the screen, and now I can type a sentence again. Now I can double click way over here on the right hand side of the screen, and here I can type a sentence again. But I want you to pay attention to this little group called paragraph. When I click into this sentence, it is aligned left. Here, notice that this little paragraph button came on to tell me I am aligned left. Accordingly, now on this one in the center, cause I clicked in the center of the page, watch this button right here. It's about to light up. Now this one right down here, since I double click onto the right hand side, this third button is going to light up when I click onto this sentence. There you go. So it's just basically telling you, even though you double clicked on the paper, Microsoft Word is smart enough to know you want that right aligned or you want this one center aligned. Now you can of course force anything to go where you want it. You have full control over where your sentences land. Now you can move them around with the space bars, with the tabs like this. You can double click before you even start typing or even after you have typed it. You can move them around by pressing these buttons. Alright, so that is how you can navigate around the document. That is how you place text in different spots. You have a lot of control over this document. So there you go. Thank you.